noise?
I got a gal, she's an Eskimo, way up north where the cold winds blow. Lives in a house made of ice and snow, but is she cold? Oh, no, no, no. Shuffle on the tundra, slip and slide and hop, twist and jerk and rhythm, do the muck-luck bop.
Stop! Cut it out! I'm trying to sleep. And besides, I hate that kind of music.
Gosh, what a sorehead.
Party pooper.
Guess I'll listen to the news.
This is station SKMO. Hollywood is looking for a new musical group. Someone with a new gimmick.
New gimmick? How about a singing bear and a penguin? Egad, I can see him now at the Root Beer A-Go-Go.
Shuffle on the tundra, slip and slide and hop, twist and jerk and rhythm, do the muck-luck bop.
I'll make a fortune. I'll get the little one first, then come back for the bear.
I take her out for a dog sled ride. I holler rush, sit by her side. We cuddle up, the temperature's low. But is she cold? Oh, no, no, no.
Let go, buddy boy.
Help! Throw me something!
We dance all night, that is 6 months long. She's dressed up in a mix of wrong. And a big smile, not much I know. But is she cold? Oh, no, no, no. Shuffle on the tundra, slip and slide and hop, twist and jerk and rhythm, do the muck-luck bop.
Hold it, boys! How would you like to go to Hollywood and be famous? Just sign this contract.
Gee, a contract. Why didn't you say so? Hey, where do we sign this thing? What's up, Chili? Oh, yeah. Just a minute, kind sir. How would you like to sign up a singing whale?
A singing whale? Tell me more.
Listen.
Look, Grandpa, the damn chica, la, 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 la,
The office is inside.
A phonograph! Oh, no! I've been tricked! Let me out of here! Hey! Hey, let me out! You hear me? I'll kill the
Life is a ball with an Eskimo. Dancing till dawn, though the lights will glow. Doing the bop 25 below. But if you call, oh no, no, no. Shuffle on the tundra, slip inside and hop. Twist and jerk in rhythm, do the muck bop.
Guess who?
Freeloader Airways, the only way to fly. The airline's president will hear about this. Ozark Mountain. Look out for stray rifle balls.
Nobody calls my hound dog a no-good flea-bitten cur. Inside, he's twice as good as that there ugly-looking mongrel of yourn. Yo, hush your mouth. You're gonna give my hound an inferiority complexion.
Hold it, fellas. That's no way to settle that question.
He's key-wreck proof. The proof of the parsnip pudding is in the eating. Right. I will demonstrate. Oh, Yeller, go fetch me a squirrel. Oh, Blue, fetch me a moose. Well, it took him long enough. Oh, Yeller, go scrounge up a grizzly bar. It's sure a measly-looking bar. Oh, Blue. Well, now, let's quit fooling around. Well, I admit you don't see many of them no more. But what kind of a bird dog is he? Bird dog? He's only the best in these hills. Oh, Yeller, go fetch a bird.
Oh, boy. I pity the poor birds on a night. Birds? I'm a bird. Hey, did somebody lose a broken-down bird dog?
You call that poor, miserable critter a bird dog? Old Blue, go get that bird. Don't just lay there. You go get that bird.
Uh-oh. Hello, boys.
That's my hound, Old Blue.
That there's Old Yeller.
There's that bodacious bird.
Old Yeller got him cornered.
Old Blue closing in on him.
Good dog, Old Yeller.
Good boy, Blue.
Hound dogs they may be, but water spaniels they ain't. Bowie.
I never seen such a plum-tuckered out critters that there mud of yourn, Ruth.
That's a bald-faced lie, Jed. Your hound is more plum-tuckered than mine be.
No, sir. Yourn is more plum-tuckered. Ooh, that's s'mores.
Guess who? If you wanna know my name, I'm Calamity Jane, the straightest shooting gal in all the West. I'm rough and tough and raw, and I'm quicker on the draw. I can shoot the buttons off a gun's head. Jesse James, who is he? To me, he's just a sissy. He uses talcum powder in his boots. So don't forget my name, I'm Calamity Jane, the straightest shooting gal in all the West. I am the best, not like the rest. Calamity Jane is my name. $1,000? Boy, I'm gonna keep my eyes open for that guy.
You wait 10 seconds and a perfect picture every time.
He might be lurking around here right now.
No one will ever know me now. Hello there. You looking for someone?
Yeah, I'm gonna catch that funny-looking guy and get the reward.
Well, good luck, boy.
He's a nice, jovial fella. Oh, good afternoon.
Stick him up, redhead.
Is this your lipstick, madam? Well, there goes the last of the red hot pajamas.
Here he comes. I'll hide in here.
I'll hide in here.
Come out with your hands up. All right, you little red-headed runt. I'm gonna count to 3 and then shoot. 1, 2, 3. You're the one I want.
What did I do? I didn't do nothing.
Oh, yes, you dirty thief. You stole my heart away. You silly boy. You are mine. Mine.
Guess who?
Want some sugar, old pal? 1 lump or 2? 1, 2.
I hate him.
Dum-ba-dee-da-da-doo-dum-dum.
That dirty little rat. Hey, barber, shave off my mustache.
What are you trying to tell me, huh?
I'm too smart, that woodpecker. No one will ever know me now. Guess I'll go take a little nap.
Well, let's go take a look, shall we? It's him, all right. Hey, wake up, bad man. You're Dirty McNasty, and I'm turning you in.
Oh, you must be mistaken, sir. This feller has a big mustache. I'm a clean-shaven gentleman from Kansas City.
Oh, yeah? Take a look.
It's me.
Oh, we'll get a big reward for this.
Okay, woodpecker, draw your gun.
Draw a gun. There.
Well,
No!
nobody likes a smart aleck. Pardon me, ladies. Did you see a horse and woodpecker in there?
I don't know. I'll ask my horse-faced sister. Horcella, did you see a horse and woodpecker in there?
Thank you, ladies. Huh?
Hey, bad man. Got a minute? Did you happen to see this?
$1 million reward.
Notice anything? See the resemblance? Do I have that $1 million look?
Hey, that's you. Now I caught you. Where do I get the reward?
Right over there. You gotta see the sheriff.
Sheriff, I come for the reward. Let me have it.
Yeah, let him have it. Well, he got his reward.